Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater with another spicy noodle explosion. Bang, bang. I keep trying to come up with different things to throw in there to make it sound crazier. Nuclear, Hellfire, Abaddon, Mephistopheles, Baal, Lord of Destruction, Diablo 3, Diablo 2 is better. Yeah, this is this is a spicy one from Indonesia. My son Andy just did one of these. He did the one that's coming from an upcoming meat the manufacturer, and this is from an older meat the manufacturer from Indonesia. This is Indomie instant noodles Mi Goreng hot and spicy, also known as Mi Goreng Pedas. His was a pedas, but his was vegetarian. I don't know that there's really any meat in this, but yeah. And I thought for this one, on both of these. Actually, on his review, his one that he tried is part of an upcoming Meet the Manufacturer series, which was sponsored by a little place in Edmonds called Warong Jajanan. I've talked to this guy like 50 times. A guy named Jonathan and his wife Nira. They make just like the most wonderful food, and it's like I keep thinking, you know, I really need to ask this guy exactly how you pronounce the name of his restaurant and store, but here's the card. Boom. Yeah, so they have all things Indonesian, and the food there is just top notch. I mean, I've tried a lot of food, and I'll say right now, you know, for Indonesian food, for any food that I've had, this is definitely in my like top 10 list of food that I've dined out and tried. So it's definitely worth checking out. They're in Edmonds. The information, you just saw it. So. But yeah, the garnishes for that upcoming Meet the Manufacturer series are from them. So, and I'm going to do a video inside their place so you can actually see everything that goes on there. But I'm on a definite time constraint today, so let's get these cooking. All right. Beverage so I don't get the hiccups. All right. Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ready, set, and go. Honestly, it's been a while since I've had Indomie. Well, this does have that kick. Very serious time constraints today. Yeah. Done. All right.
Well, that's fast. Good job.
Definitely nowhere near as spicy. It's spicier than the Canadian stuff, but it's a nice heat. I'm still feeling it. It's got a little linger to it. It's got a nice flavor to it. You got that sweet and spicy thing going on, and it's good stuff. It's Indomie, you know. If you've never had Indomie, you need to do it. So, all right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and the 18 plus review or redo or whatever is coming soon. A buddy on Facebook just sent me the tracking number, so thanks, man. And yeah, it's coming. So, all right, this has been Hans. Catch you later. Bye.